Hello, welcome to my second Rii keyboard video review. This time the RK100 and the RK200. Let's start with the RK100. It's a full-size keyboard with 3 color LED backlit and multimedia keys. Some multimedia examples: start your music, change volume, start your email program, press the FN key plus for example F1 to start your music player. Hit the color button to change the keyboard colors to red, blue and purple. Press FN and page up to make the colors brighter, and page down to reduce the light. And here's some close-ups of the keys. It's a good product for the price. I never had a keyboard with LEDs, but now I'm used to it and I don't want to go back to a non-LED keyboard. The downside of this keyboard: Rii advertises as a gaming keyboard, but the left shift button is small and I'm used to a larger left shift button. This is the RK200 keyboard mouse combination. The layout is the same as the RK100, but this time with a dedicated function keys on top of the board. The mouse has 3 DPI settings: 800, 1200 and 1600. And don't forget the scroll wheel with a push functionality. The WASD buttons and the arrow keys are blue, but this is just the design. I almost forget to mention the RK100 is wired and the RK200 is wireless. I hope you enjoyed my short keyboard video review. If you have any questions, feel free to drop your question down below. See ya!